Hey guys, welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to be making the ultimate grilled beef burger. This is a simple and easy recipe that anyone can make at home. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 pound ground beef, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tbsp Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 onion, diced to cloves, garlic, minced. For burger buns, toppings of your choice: lettuce, tomato, cheese. To start off, we'll need to prepare the beef patty. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground beef, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, diced onions, and minced garlic. Mix everything together thoroughly. Once everything is well mixed, divide the mixture into 4 equal parts, with each part shape it into a patty that is about 1/2 inch thick. Heat up your grill or pan to medium-high heat. Once it's hot, place the patties on the grill or pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they're browned and slightly crispy. Now it's time to assemble the burger. Toast the burger buns on the grill or in the oven. Place the beef patty on the bottom bun and add your toppings of choice. You can add lettuce, tomato, cheese, or any other toppings that you like. And there you have it, the ultimate grilled beef burger. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes and cooking tips.